Namaste Bitya, myself JBN Neha Saini from Anatomy Department. Today I will discuss about the anatomy of the medial side of the thigh. Medial compartment of the thigh lies between the medial and the ill-defined posterior intermuscular septum. It is also known as adductor compartment because the muscles over here causes adduction of the hip joint. The muscles include the adductor longus, adductor brevis, adductor magnus, gracilis, pectineus and obturator externus. The nerve is obturator nerve. The vessels include medial circumflex artery, profunda femoris artery and obturator artery. The vein includes the obturator vein. Now individual muscles. First is the pectineus. It arises from the superior ramus of pubis, pecten pubis and pectineal surface of the pubis part. Then the insertion, it is inserted on the posterior aspect of the femur on a line passing from lesser trochanter to the linea aspera. The nerve supply is by the femoral nerve as well as the obturator nerve. It may derive its nerve supply from accessory obturator nerve. Action is adductor and the flexor of the hip of the thigh at the hip joint. Then the adductor longus. It arises from the front of the body of pubis and inserted on the posterior aspect of middle 1/3 of the femur between the vastus medialis and adductor brevis. The nerve supply is by the anterior division of obturator nerve. Action is adduction, flexion and lateral rotation of the thigh. Then adductor brevis. It arises from the lower part of the body and inferior ramus of pubis, lateral to that of gracilis. Inserted on the posterior part of the femur along a line passes from lateral trochanter to linea aspera and upper part of the linea aspera. This can be shown in the diagram. Nerve supply is by the obturator nerve. Action is the adduction and the flexion of the thigh at the hip joint. It is also a lateral rotator of the thigh. Then gracilis. It arises from the body of pubis, inferior ramus of pubis and ramus of ischium. It inserted on the upper part of the medial surface of tibia. It is supplied by the obturator nerve. Action, flexion of the leg at the knee joint, medial rotator of the leg and weak adductor of the thigh. Then we have adductor magnus. It arises from the ramus of ischium lateral to origin of gracilis, hamstring part from inferior lateral part of the ischial tuberosity and it is inserted on the medial margin of the gluteal tuberosity, linea aspera and into the medial supracondylar line, hamstring part into the adductor tubercle. It is supplied by the obturator as well as sciatic nerve. Action is adduction and extension of the thigh. It also causes lateral rotation of the thigh. Here we have the nerve supply of the adductor muscles, that is the obturator nerve. It arises from the lumbar plexus. It passes through the pelvis, lying along its lateral pelvic wall, enters the medial compartment of the thigh by passing through the adductor canal. As it enters into the thigh, it divides into anterior and posterior branches. This is the diagrammatic representation of the obturator nerve. So this completes our topic, the medial side of. Now the questions related to the muscles of medial compartment of the thigh. First question is, write the short note on adductor magnus. So in this question you have to write about the origin, insertion, nerve supply and action of this muscle and also draw its related diagram. And if you know any clinical anatomy regarding this muscle, so mention that also. Then the second question is the enumerate the branches of obturator nerve. So you have to draw the diagram as well as the name the branches of the obturator nerve from the anterior division and posterior divisions. Then this is the exercise which you have to do in your file work and you have to draw this diagram of the obturator nerve from its origin up to its termination and use yellow color for depiction of the obturator nerve in the file. Thank you.